All right, what's up? Back at it. Wednesday today? Yeah, Wednesday. Starting a little late. Well, starting the vlog a little late, but I have been grinding, as you can tell. This is all the stuff is in the shop that is burnt tires or tires that we're not going to use again, and they were taking up a lot of space, so need to get them out. Now I feel better. They're in here. Boom. After I move the trailer tomorrow, then I'll go with these, drop them off, take a tire. $1 tire. But yeah, that's where I'm at right now. Just wanted to clean up. It's been kind of hectic in the shop. It's still really hectic in the shop, but this helps a lot, getting this massive set out. I'll teach you guys how to do that Mexi stack there another day. But right now, go inside, do a little more organizing, hopefully. I can get a little space to pull out the FC, and then I'm gonna do touching some of that. Gonna touch it a little bit. I can't already start without you guys. But check it out. Getting clean. Besides this rock I just found. Sweet. Sprayed in there. Got the fuel rail out. Started cleaning this up. There was a ton of fire extinguisher stuff all built up in here. So I got that out. Just so you can see the fire rail up here. So fuel rail. This one was stuck. I'll show you where. She was crispy. So I was able to pull that tab back right there and get it out. The connections actually seem fine. It's funny enough, all this stuff really held up. I just really wanted to get in here. I need to double check on all this stuff. The wires do look good, but I need to get some of this loom back and make sure. But yeah, just cleaned up in there. I'm gonna cover these holes up so no more dirt gets in there. I started labeling just this stuff, alternator, I think this is a cam out, IAT and whatnot. So I can pull this stuff back like so and have a little more space. I'm gonna do a little more cleaning and then I'll probably go check out that side, but I think that side for the most part should be fine, just needs cleaning. And last time we drove the car we were feeling a little sensation of clay in the steering and that bolt right there. Show you right. That one right there. Nut fell off, so that's pretty important. Get that back on. This side harness that I painted through back there, but it is out. This is all the way over here now. So now I get a little bit better way of looking at that stuff and getting a little bit cleaner over here. This whole thing is a mess. But yeah, that's the progress we're at. Cleaner, that's for sure. Took a little emery cloth here. Started with, oh, there it is, where are you going? Steel wool, emery cloth. And I just started taking some of that stuff off so it's not so thick. Valve cover's been cleaned up. And then I think that's it. I took this thing apart just to clean it. So I can strip tower clean inside there, just getting dirt out so we can start freaking getting her good to go. So we can finally shut the fuck up, doing crazy things. And then I pulled the oil catch can because it was just filthy and full of dirt. Not much oil came out, but I'm gonna get all the dirt out of there so nothing goes back in because all that dust is floating. Okay, Carlos did the new fuel injector. That's pretty good. Wiring's chill, just crusty, nobody get upset. All right, it's just falling apart. I'm gonna relume it. All the wires are good, so nobody needs to bitch. But that's pretty much that. We need to order a coil pack, connector, and we're gonna see if we can find oil pressure sensor connector, because that one is no longer doing its job. But everything else seems to be working fine. Carlos is gonna help me relume that stuff up. Probably just gonna do some electrical tape, I'm assuming, this time around. And I think that's kind of it. Got all this stuff cleaned out. Got a new O-ring for this injector. And yeah, I obviously need just to clean this stuff up because it's super nasty. And we're gonna figure out this situation. This thing makes all the fires happen. I'm gonna do that. It's pretty clean now, actually. Alright, so that's way better. I'm gonna clean these fittings off, clean the rest of it off, and then we're good to go back. Carlos got a new radiator from the house, so he's gonna get some bungs, get them chopped off, re-welded on, and then see about getting the bases mounted also, actually. So, all right, took some memory cloth to this thing after wiping it down. Looks pretty not bad, eh? Cleaned up okay. A couple nicks, but it looked better than it did. Not dirty, clean the fittings up, so they're pretty good to go. Interior is shiny AF. Carlos is literally going at his radiator with a pick because he fucked shit up earlier today on accident.
No, I didn't fuck anything
He
up.
did it to himself, so that's how that cookie crumbles. And yeah, making moves. Getting this thing cleaned out. Let's run the oil. Yeah, buddy. So I'll get a couple more cleans on this thing, and then I will put some of that K&N oil spray on it. Went through the loom, got all that burnt, super crispy nastiness out. I did not make the wiring harness, so don't just rip me in the comments. It was Carlos that made the wiring harness. No, I'm kidding. But I did take all the burnt loom off and got down to the wires. Nothing is actually burnt. There's still a little residue on stuff, but went through them all, made sure everything was clear. The only thing I am concerned about is this crispy boy, which is the ground to the back of the block through the harness. So I am gonna go down here where it's actually red and black, and I'm gonna cut that up and rewire. Maybe even use a little this nice piece still, and then I gotta check back to see what this random piece is coming out. Not good. But other than that, everything else is good. Check this stuff out. There's a little burnt tar on there, but that is still hard. Hopefully you guys remember what this thing looked like before it came out, but she is looking brand new. Got some new O-rings on the injectors going into the rail. Had a couple chips. And yeah, just got them all cleaned up. Free rail is cleaned up. Made sure there was nothing I couldn't see bugging us. And yeah, boy, Carlos Mayhem. When you're putting your injectors in, on the O-ring that goes into the fuel rail, put extreme pressure in them. And on the O-ring that goes out into the actual, I guess you would say intake manifold, put extreme pressure lube. You can get this on Amazon. It's the shit. It's tacky, but it's not runny, so it stays on. Let's see if I can show you what it looks like. It's really big. Okay, so like that. See? Kind of molasses-y. And then I just get a little rub skis and I'll go the whole way around with the O-ring like that. Alright, you can't tell I'm real dirty, but I've been grinding. You want to see some weird stuff? What do you think? I kind of like it. So I did that. Those aren't working yet, but they're mounted. Cheaper than RX7 taillights, that much. I'll tell you that much. And the other thing I'm doing now, my hair's a mess. Chop that off. It's all bent from drifting, and I'm gonna be putting on. This is a real special note today. Oh, look at that chrome. So I gotta chop that up, I'm gonna weld it on, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. All right, I have finished, well, from now, for what I wanna do, but let me show you what it's got. E46 FC boys. They're not perfect, but they're close enough. So I'm gonna figure out something to cover the middle now. Happy, okay, just dropped the starter. It's pretty hard to see, but got this crispy cable out and this crispy cable out. Those are our crank in and out. And then our little extra setup that we got for the new cam teeth. So it is, thank God it's not, it's just so crispy. They're good, but stuck together. So yeah, getting there. I'm going under the bottom too, checking all of that, like, see that, get out of here. See that motor mount nut bolt right there, nut, that was loose, both sides. So that, going over the power steering, but oof, look at this paint, it's starting to look better. I cleaned it up, almost see myself. All right, it's midday here, getting sweaty as fuck. Noah Nelson came through to do jack shit, never helping when he comes through. Dayton came through, he's just humping stuff. And
What's up, dude?
Dude, get it there, you won't. He's trying. All right, FC is almost back together. I still have to finish 2 wires and I'm waiting for connectors to come in, but the under chassis is all done. So once I get that and Noah Nelson stops filming me, little bitch nigga, then we'll be back to go. I think I'll be done hopefully by Monday or Tuesday of next week once the connectors get in. That'll be it.